Alright guys, gotta talk about this new keyboard I've been messing with, the Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless. And let me tell you, this thing is tiny but mighty. Like seriously, 60% form factor, it's practically pocket-sized. Perfect if you're tight on desk space or like to take your keyboard on the go. But don't let the size fool you. This thing is packed with features. First off, the wireless connectivity is insane. We've got Corsair Slipstream wireless tech here, which is sub 1 ms, so basically zero lag. I've been gaming on this thing for days, and it feels just as responsive as a wired connection. Plus, you've got Bluetooth and wired USB options too, so maximum flexibility. Now, the real star of the show here is the hot swappable switches. It comes with Cherry MX Reds, which are nice and linear, great for gaming. But the beauty is, if you prefer a different feel, you can just pop those out and put in whatever MX-compatible switches you want. Blues, browns, speed silvers, you name it. This level of customization is a game changer. And speaking of customization, let's talk RGB. This thing is a light show. Per key RGB backlighting, plus this cool 360-degree light edge around the whole keyboard. You can program it with all sorts of crazy effects through Corsair's ICUE software. It looks absolutely stunning, especially in a dimly lit room. The build quality is also top-notch. Durable aluminum frame, PBT double-shot keycaps, which means the legends won't fade over time. It feels really solid and premium. And even with the RGB blazing, you can get up to 32 hours of battery life, which is pretty impressive. If you turn the lights off, it'll last even longer, up to 200 hours. Now it's a 60% keyboard, so you are losing some keys. No dedicated arrow keys, function row, or numpad. You'll need to use function layer combinations to access those. It takes a little getting used to, but honestly, after a few days, I barely noticed it. And the compact size is so worth it for me. So who is this keyboard for? Gamers, for sure. The speed, the customization, the compact size, it's perfect for competitive gaming. But also, anyone who wants a high-quality, customizable wireless keyboard. If you're looking for a premium 60% keyboard that doesn't compromise on performance or features, the Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless is definitely worth checking out. It's a bit pricey, but you're getting a lot for your money. Seriously, this thing is a beast.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.